The 40mm hot-end aluminum intelligent manufacturing production line includes 3 parts: billet handling system, hot billet extrusion, and profile handling system. Billet handling system is used to cut long aluminum ingots by sawing, heat billet, and transport them to the extrusion press. The billet handling system consists of the ingot loading table, saw front roller table, ingot sawing machine, sawing rear roller table, short ingot storage area, reclaiming manipulator, induction heating furnace, and temperature measuring device. The ingot loading table places the ingot from the outside of the workshop onto the ingot loading table, and then the ingot is sent to the conveying roller table one by one. The front roller table transports the ingot to the curve. The encoder and laser range device are installed on the pusher frame to realize the length measurement. A lifting platform is provided at the curve to facilitate the feeding of the ingot to the sawing position. The ingot sawing machine cuts long aluminum rods into short ingots. After the sawing rear roller table transports the short ingots onto the reclaiming manipulator. The short ingot storage area is used to store short ingots. It consists of 2 trays. Each tray can hold up to 4 aluminum ingots. It can be used to store the short ingots that do not need to be sawed or cannot be used for the remaining ingots after sawing. The reclaiming manipulator is used to send the short ingots on the short ingot storage area to the front roller table of the induction heating furnace, and also to send the ingot heated by the ingot induction heating furnace to the ingot transport platform of the extrusion. The induction heating furnace is a double single ingot structure arranged in parallel and is divided into number 1 and number 2 heating furnaces. The ingot temperature measuring device is performed at the same geometric point that the temperature was previously measured in the induction furnace. For 40mm direct single-action aluminum extrusion press with short stroke front loading is mainly used for extrusion processing of aluminum and aluminum alloy profiles, pipes and bars, mining composed of body, mechanization and hydraulic control system. The body of the extrusion press is composed of frame, main cylinder, container, moving die slide, quick change device, main shear, and extrusion tools. The frame is pre-stressed force frame. The main cylinder adopts the plunger cylinder, and 2 side cylinders are provided to make the main cylinder return. The moving crosshead of the extrusion is mainly used to fix the stem and partial weight of main cylinder. The container adopts a 3-layer combined cylinder, and the compressive stress generated by the assembly is used to offset the tensile stress caused by the pressing force. The container is heated by the resistance heating bar, which can be heated in the zones and controlled separately. The moving die slide are 2 locations, one of which is used for extrusion and the other is for jam bullet push-out location. The main shear is mounted above the front platen and move up and down perpendicular to the access line of the extrusion press. The mechanized equipment part of the extrusion press includes the billet table, the billet length measuring, the billet loading machine, the billet and the lubrication, and the receiving residual material device, etc. The profile handling system includes a 500 kg alternating double puller, moving hot saw, combined quenching system, lead-out roller table, 50 meters long roll-out roller table and belts, horizontal transport cooling table, belts for a stretcher, 1.2 mm online stretcher machine, storage table, rollers and belts for saw, finished saw, rollers and belts for discharging, stacking belts, stacker and basket conveyor table. The combined quench is divided into two parts. The first part is the area where the wind and water are combined cooling. The second part is the air cooling area. The puller mainly puts the aluminum profile, which can eliminate the uneven flow velocity along the cross-section during the extrusion process of 5% aluminum ingot, which is beneficial to the formation of metal in the welding chamber. The function of the moving heat saw is to cut the aluminum profile at a time between the extruded aluminum profile stop ring and the weld ring, thereby increasing the yield of the extruded aluminum profile. The lead-out roller, the 50 meters long run-out rollers and belts, the horizontal conveying type cooling table, and the belts for stretcher are used for conveying, cooling, and storing the aluminum profiles. 1.2 mm stretcher uses tension, straightening to eliminate deformation and internal stress of the extruded product, making the product straight and increasing its yield limit. The structure of the finished saw is a hydraulically powered down-going circular saw. The saw blade is driven by the pulley, and the sawing feed is driven by the hydraulic cylinder. The stacker consists of the spacer distribution and transport device, the loading and unloading device, and the basket conveying table. During the stacking process, the spacers are dispersed with a timing belt at corresponding positions in the length direction of the profile, and can be accurately positioned and aligned. The stacker consists of 3 sets of spacer distribution and transport, 3 loading and unloading devices. These 3 sets can work along or achieve synchronization according to the length of the profile. The completion of the 40mm high-end aluminum intelligent manufacturing production line has greatly satisfied the demand for high-quality aluminum materials in the rail transit, maritime work, automotive lightweight, and industrial equipment manufacturing markets. With the advancement and development of electronic technology, hydraulic control technology, and hydraulic components, We provide high-end aluminum alloy manufacturing lines with high precision, high automation level, and high reliability for more and more customers.